Very good morning, students. Let's continue our next nutrient, fiber, which is also called as dietary fiber, or it also called as roughage. Okay. Now, what is roughage? You might have heard this term, never ever, but this is the first time you are listening about this word roughage. What is called roughage? Roughage is also known as fiber or bulk. It is an indigestible compound that your body can't absorb. It is always present on the raw vegetables and plant parts. Okay, as I mentioned earlier when I talked about carbohydrate, cellulose is present in plant part, the outer cell wall of the plant. Okay, I hope you all remember the cell wall. What is cell wall? It is the outermost part of the plant which protects the plant and which contains so many fibers in it. Okay, this is called roughage, and cellulose is one of them. It is found in many fruits, vegetable, grains, and legumes. Now, next question is roughage a nutrient? Yes, it is a nutrient. It is a dietary fiber, okay, which sometimes called as roughage. However, fiber does a lot of work for our body. What work and what are the main functions we'll see later on. The term dietary fiber refers to the indigestible parts of plant-based food. Okay, indigestible part which our body not able to digest, not able to absorb, but it is important because it cleans all the toxic from our body. Now, in a very simple language, we'll see what is roughage. Okay. Roughage helps the movement of food through digestive tract. Digestive tract means you all know which organ help in the digestion: small intestine, large intestine, and from there our body is filtering, means main nutrients are absorbing and the unwanted one is releasing to the next organ for excrete. Okay, and roughage helps the food to move from large intestine to lower intestine to avoid constipation. There are many fruits and vegetables which are rich in roughage. They are fruits, vegetable, nuts, barley, so many grains, etc. Roughage. Cellulose form the fiber content in food and is called as roughage. Okay, cellulose is a kind of carbohydrate which gives us energy. Roughage does not provide any nutrient to our body. It is a nutrient, okay, as it is a dietary fiber, but it is an essential ingredient of our food as it helps our body to get rid of undigested food from our digestive tract. Okay. Now, there are two types of fibers or roughage: soluble fibers and insoluble fibers. Soluble fibers are those which are soluble in water and which we can release from our body, okay, after absorbing. Soluble fibers help in blood circulation. Some of the sources are apple, strawberry, peach, and rice and oats also, okay. And insoluble fibers, they are not soluble in water, and lack of insoluble fibers in the diet causes the stool to become hard and difficult to pass. Okay, you all know whenever the insoluble fibers are coming in our food, they are not soluble in water. In fact, they make our stool hard. Okay, it is also important in our body to pass the stools from our intestine, okay, or to excrete the unwanted digestive material from our body. So there are the two types of fibers. Now, the two types of fibers and their sources: insoluble and soluble. Okay, soluble fiber sources can be found in such as oat bran, barley, nuts, seeds, beans, lentils, fruits, strawberries, and many vegetables, which mixes with water easily and excrete from our body in the form of urine and all. Insoluble fiber is found in foods such as whole wheat and whole grain products, vegetables, and wheat bran, which mixes with our stool and pass from our body. Now what do your body do with this fiber? Okay, a high fiber diet is great for your body and your digestion. Why? Because it helps in the releases of unwanted or undigested food from our body. That's why we are eating salads and raw vegetables. Okay, for getting so many fibers. It keeps you feeling fuller for long. Okay, after eating, it makes you feel and not feeling hungry. It also gives us energy. Okay, fiber helps keep your digestion running smoothly, as it is very important for our digestion. Fibers are really important for our digestion. Those person who are not taking fibers, they are always having digestive problem. Okay, ingredients high in fiber include whole grain bread, vegetable, beans, barley and fruit. Potential benefits of fiber include: it helps in maintaining blood sugar. Okay, adds, for example, soluble fibers. They mixes with the water and releases it. Aiding in weight loss, as it helps in weight loss because keeps us feel full for long time after eating the fibers, and we do not require any junk food after eating this. And it helps in lowering the body cholesterol. Okay, so here are the importance and functions of fiber. Why do we need it? So that's all for today. In the next class, we will talk about the balanced diet. So after talking about all the nutrients in our body, so here we completed all the nutrients. Okay, fat, protein, vitamins, minerals, carbohydrate, water, dietary fiber, roughage. Now in the next class, we will talk about balanced diet. Okay.